but he has been a very good neighbor. He's part of the people who encouraged me to stay in Maasai land. And he considered me as part of the Maasai family. He was a wonderful person. If anything has happened, even in the area, he would call me. And all the time when he's going home, either in a chopper, he would fly over my home, and I would know that Nkaissery now going back to his home. He has been a good friend, and is a person who was also concerned about his neighbors and the people around. There is no any function, a Maasai function, whether from funeral or any type of given function that he has ever missed. You will hear people telling you today, we were with the Major General, and the function was good. He was our guest of honor. He's a person who was really who was down to earth, and he had a class of people that he had classified that those were his friends. He was a friend of everyone, a friend of everybody. So that is how I can describe him. He was a good person and a person of a unique character. That is how I can describe the late Nkaissery.
Well, it's called him a good friend of workers, a good friend. We're joined now by former Narok South Member of Parliament, Nkoidile Ole Lankas. He too, like